perfect choice for bulk handling and distribution, the Magnum Optimum folding large container is lighter, folds flatter, and has a larger internal volume than all competition. The unique design and structure of Magnum Optimum, with its double-wall construction and reinforced base, allows for a 750 kilogram units load, guaranteeing maximum payload in trucks. Magnum Optimum also helps users to optimize vehicle fill, resulting in fewer journeys, reduced fuel consumption, and improved carbon footprint. Magnum Optimum folds flatter, providing a 30% space saving over most competing folding large containers, stacking 10 high in mega trucks when folded. Smooth surfaces prevent damaging fragile parts and are operator friendly. Easy to clean sloped surfaces and drainage holes speed up the washing process and do not retain water if stored outside. Magnum Optimum is ideal for the distribution of fragile industrial parts and includes location points to secure dividers. Up to 3 Optiframe spacers can be added to match the height of products being distributed and optimize vehicle fill. Non-sequential folding and erecting speeds manual handling operations, while doors provide easy access for loading and unloading. Clip-on components allow Magnum Optimum to be modified in just a few seconds to adapt to a new need. Maintenance and repairs can be made on site. Magnum Optimum also includes a host of labeling options, while printing your logo and contact details helps to promote your brand identity and identifies the containers as your property. Magnum Optimum. Optimize your logistics, minimize your costs.